Hi there and greetings from Denmark. This is an unboxing of my absolutely very first Victorinox knife. I have never owned one. I always used to have these kinds of knives and these kinds, all slip joints. But I have never had a Swiss Army knife, so I haven't seen it yet. I have taken it out of the box, but I haven't seen it yet. So this is the compact model in red. I got it from a German dealer online, since these here in Denmark are ridiculously expensive. So let's take a look, shall we? So this is well, some paperwork, explanations how to use it, and so on. So let's see. A few scratches. Well, who cares? It's gonna be scratched anyway. So this should be the hook. It's infamous. Oh, it's oily. It's brand new. So hold on. With nail file. This side. Oh, it works. Actually, pretty good. Okay, cool. Corkscrew with this is okay. It's a tiny what do you call it? Flathead? Yeah, flathead screwdriver. And I have seen you could put it. No, I'm too. No, I can't. I'm not too stupid. Well, it's just not. Well, okay. And yeah, a pin. Also, and it's pointed. Oh wow! It goes in here. It actually sits pretty good. And this. And still we have here this ring. This should be the toothpick. Okay, nice. Oh, sorry. So this, if it was out of the picture, and this should be the pen. It is cool, tiny. Let's see how it works. If it works, yeah. Okay. And I have seen somebody did this. Put it in here. And then close this. Well, just maybe a bit further in. Oh, okay, cool, it works. So, this is actually excellent. Nice. So, and on this side, okay, let's take it. So this should be the tweezers. See if it works. Oh, yes, it does. Oh, nice. So here we have, this is the multi-tool, oily, flathead screwdriver, and bottle opener and can opener. I don't have a bottle now or can, but yeah. This should be the wire stripper. Yeah, and you can okay, this is the knife, but here the wire, you can put it in here, then close this down on the wire, and turn the wire, and then just strip it off instead of yanking it off. I don't know if it works. I've seen it on YouTube, other YouTube videos. So this is the blade. It says Victorinox something made, Swiss made probably, stainless. Oh, it doesn't seem sharp. Let's make a test. No, it's not. No, it's not. Crap. Well, okay. I can sharpen that. So, and then we have the scissor. This sounds, it feels that it will cut something. Oh yeah, this is nice. So we have some, no, well, whatever. Well, this is actually pretty sturdy. Good. I thought this was going to be a little bit loose, but no, it's not. Nice. So, why isn't this sharp? Is this too thin? That is strange. Let's take some other kind of paper. Ah, okay. This was too thin. Oh well. Wow, okay. This seems to work. Kind of. No, it's not ultra sharp. That is disappointing. But other than that, that can be fixed easily. What do I have in my pocket now? Hold on. I have this one. This has been with me for ages, but well, it is of course bigger. But I like the extra tools on it, and especially I need often finding me needing a toothpick, a tweezer, a pen, so and a scissor. So this was the smallest one, the thinnest one, with all these things that I needed. I also wanted a bottle opener, but you don't need a bottle opener. Why? You just take. I haven't tried this, of course, because this is my first Victorinox. Where is it? Man. Here. No. Here. You can just put this in the bottle, in the cork, and then slightly turn it. I have seen it. I haven't tried it. It works with knife blades, so it should work with this too. So nice. Is it fairly? It doesn't weigh much. Okay, it's a good purchase actually. Yeah. If it breaks or get damaged or disappoints me in any way, I will update this video. But if it doesn't, well, then this is it then. going to use this as a nail cleaner, or like this. Also works. Or the pin. So the only thing this is missing, I think, would be the scales of the Traveler. So this thin size with the Traveler scale with the electronics in it, the LCD display with the time. Because I thought of buying the Traveler, but it's just too thick. This is about maximum what I like as a pocket knife. But a scale here, LCD screen, then this would be perfect. I saw you were able to get it's called a timekeeper with the analog watch, but they are out of production and hard to find. I'm trying to see if I can find one, because that one has all these tools and the clock. I don't wear a wristwatch. I have a very expensive one I got for my wife, but I never use it. So, well, but otherwise I think this is cool. It's nice that it's very light in weight. Probably gonna remove this, but I think that is that. Very nice, except for the dull blade. But it is factory new. You can see it without the oil and that. But yeah, nice one. Okay, that's it. And thanks for watching. And take care. Bye.